Find insight, guidance, and answers. Tune into Spirit with radio medium Laura Lee.
When tragedy strikes, the losses aren't financial, they're emotional, they're relational, they are deeply human. And the love and connection we share with our family members shape our lives in ways that can never be replaced. On today's Know Your Worth series, I'm going to welcome our legal expert, Todd Bresney, back. He's a senior partner at Bresney, who's a powerful advocate for families harmed by negligence and injustice. Welcome back, Mr. Todd Bresney.
Thank you, Laura.
Can you tell us why you have dedicated your career standing up for people who've been harmed and bullied by these powerful insurance companies?
Yeah, fortunately, most of the time, we aren't the cause of someone else's harm. We most often are the ones that are going to be harmed by someone else. Careless driving, malpractice, a professional product might harm you or something to that effect. This industry of liability insurance has made it their business to use our constitutional right to a jury trial as a business tool to deny, delay, and underpay people who have been harmed, people they know they should compensate and don't. So that's why I switch sides, and that's why I do what I do.
Wonderful. Today, we're talking about a legal concept many people have never heard of. It's called loss of society. In simple terms, what's that mean, Todd?
So loss of society means, very simply, companionship. That when you lose a loved one, a family member, a spouse, a child, you've lost your ability for love, for affection, for companionship, for everything that makes that relationship special.
So why is loss of society so important for somebody who's dealt with catastrophic injury?
The law requires full and fair compensation for a wrongful harm. They call this a tortfeasor. So when somebody makes a mistake that they shouldn't have made, when they violate a legal duty and they cause another one harm, and in this case, take the most valuable thing that anybody has, which is their life, and then their relationships with those people they love, they forever change those people's worlds. The world that they knew is now gone. It's changed forever. But again, insurance companies aren't just whipping out their checkbooks and writing checks. And that's why it's important that we hold them accountable.
For someone who's grieving right now or facing a life-altering injury within their family, what's one important step you would recommend they take right now?
You absolutely should go and seek out a lawyer, somebody who's been in the courtroom, the same type of case over and over again, and that actually has tried cases. There's a lot of lawyers out there now that advertise as personal injury attorneys, and they've never done one in their lives, unfortunately.
So is this only involving wrongful death, or does it also include catastrophic injury?
So that's a great question, Laura. Loss of society, which is what we've been discussing, is an element of damages that you suffer when somebody you love has died. When you're catastrophically injured, there are other types of damages that kind of overlap, not quite loss of society, but they also account for the loss of a normal life, the loss of relationship, things of that nature for somebody who's no longer physically or mentally the same because of a catastrophic injury.
Thank you for sharing your wisdom. As always, I appreciate it. And I will say from my own personal experience, the reason I have Todd Bresney highlighted on our show is from personal experience of dealing with his talents and his gifts. He is an intuitive attorney who knows exactly what to do to get the job done. Anyway, Todd, where can people find you if they should need your guidance?
Yeah, they can call 888, the letter U, the word count, and the number 2, 888-U-COUNT-2, or log into bresneylaw.com, BRESNEY law.com. And there's an intake form there, and I'd be more than happy to have someone reach out, or I'll talk to them personally.
It was a pleasure. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Laura.
If this interests you and you'd like to learn more, remember to subscribe. Share it with a family and friend who might need to hear this message right now. And remember, you can be social with me on Facebook, Radio Medium Laura Lee Group, Instagram, YouTube too. We'd love to hear from you.
Semi was in the center lane and just turned right in front of us. Decided I needed to get a hold of an attorney. Never really heard anything from this attorney for 2 years. Decided I couldn't use him no more. I contacted Todd Bresney. I mean, he did more in 2 weeks than that other attorney did in 3 years. I could definitely not have done this on my own if it wasn't for Todd. Sorry. He changed my life.
Why do you need a personal injury lawyer? Hi, I'm Todd Bresney of Todd Bresney. When you are harmed, insurance companies should compensate you fully and fairly. But they're in the business of caring about their own bottom lines and not about your losses. At Todd Bresney, we get your worth. For close to 50 years, we've been your hometown attorneys. So call Todd Bresney at 888-U, count and the number 2, or see me on the web at bresneylaw.com. It won't cost you a thing to see if we can help.